In Miami, portable storage containers are transforming how people store, move, and manage their space. These storage containers are delivered right to your location. Pack at your own pace, then keep it on site or have it transported on your schedule, on your terms. Perfect for moving, renovation, decluttering, or even business storage. Sizes range from 10 to 45 feet, handling everything from boxes to 30 full pallets of goods. Built tough from steel with locking options, these containers keep your items secure and protected from Miami's heat and rain. No warehouse needed. Compared to traditional storage units, buying a container can save thousands. Plus, you own the space, modify it, move it, or even rent it out later. Miami residents are turning to portable storage for freedom, flexibility, and control over their space. It's storage that works with how you live. Visit On-Site Storage Solutions for your free quote. Your container, your terms, your storage solution, anywhere you need it.